Hello guys, welcome to my channel Success Step Word, who says if you dream it you can do it. So today we are going to learn question words. Question words help us ask questions and get information. So by the end of this video you will be able to use what, who, where, when, why, which, whose, how. So let's begin. So the first one is what. We use what to ask about things, actions और information, which means what का यूज़ होता है जानने के लिए about things, like चीज़ों के बारे में जानने के लिए, actions के बारे में जानने के लिए and information के बारे में जानने के लिए. So in Hindi the meaning of what is क्या. Whenever you wanna ask about things, actions or information, you'll use what, like what is your name, what are you eating, what is your favorite color. Here we are asking about things. So now can you answer this? What is your favorite game? Give me the answer of this question in the comment section. So next one is who. We use who to ask about people. So जैसे हम what का यूज़ थिंग्स के बारे में जानने के लिए करते हैं, वैसे ही हम who का यूज़ people के बारे में जानने के लिए करते हैं. Like who is your best friend, who teaches you English, who is knocking at the door. So whenever you wanna ask about people, you will use who. कौन तुम्हारा friend है, कौन तुम्हारा English teacher है, कौन दरवाजे पर आया है. In this way, to ask these questions, you will use who. Now you try. Who is your class teacher? Now answer this question in the comment section. So next one is where. Where is used to ask about places. Whenever you wanna ask about any place, you will use where. Like where do you live? तुम कहाँ रहते हो? Where is the library? Library कहाँ है? In this way you can use where. So now tell me, where is your school? Answer it in the comment section. Next is when. We use when to ask about time. In Hindi, the meaning of when is कब. So we use it for asking about time. Okay. So the example is when is your birthday? तुम्हारा birthday कब है? When do you go to school? तुम school कब जाते हो? When will the train arrive? Train कब आएगी? Now answer this question. When do you wake up? तुम कब जागते हो? Clear? So next one is why. It is used to ask for reason. Whenever you wanna ask about any reason, like कोई भी चीज़, कोई भी काम क्यों हुआ, तो उस टाइम पर आप यूज़ करते हो वाई. द हिंदी मीनिंग ऑफ वाई इज क्यों. एग्जाम्पल, वाई आर यू लेट. तुम लेट क्यों हो. वाई आर यू लाफिंग. तुम क्यों हंस रहे हो. वाई डू प्लांट्स नीड वाटर. प्लांट्स को वाटर की ज़रूरत क्यों होती है. सो इन दिस वे यू कैन यूज़ वाई. व्हेनेवर यू वांट टू आस्क फॉर अ रीज़न यू विल यूज़ वाई. क्लियर. नाउ आंसर इट. वाई डू वी स्टडी. हम स्टडी क्यों करते हैं. सो नेक्स्ट वन इज विच. We use which when we choose from limited options. When we have options for something, we use which. Like, which dress do you like? In this case, you have some dresses and somebody is asking you which dress do you like. तुम्हें कौन सी dress पसंद है. Clear? So whenever you wanna ask anybody to choose from limited options, you will use which. Like which subject is your favorite. कौन सा. In Hindi the meaning of which is कौन सा. तुम्हारा कौन सा subject favorite है. Which book is yours. कौन सी book तुम्हारी है. So in this way you can use which. So tell me, which fruit do you like more, apple or mango. Here you have two options, apple and mango. You have to choose from these two options. So that's why I used which here. Next is whose. We use whose to ask about ownership. Ownership means like possession. किसकी है वो चीज़. Like I am the owner of this video. Clear? So whenever you wanna ask about ownership or owner of something, you will use whose. Like whose bag is this, whose pencil is this, whose notebook did you take. किसकी notebook तुमने ली है, ये बैग किसका है, ये पेंसिल किसकी है. So the meaning of whose is किसका और किसकी. So now answer, whose water bottle is this. ये water bottle किसकी है. Next is how. कैसे. Whenever you wanna ask about manner, condition और number. Clear? जब भी आपको manner कोई काम कैसे हुआ, condition कोई चीज़ कैसी है और number, ठीक है, like कितनी है, उस टाइम पर you will use how. लाइक हाउ आर यू, तुम कैसे हो. हाउ डू यू गो टू स्कूल, तुम स्कूल कैसे जाते हो. हाउ ओल्ड आर यू, तुम्हारी एज कितने हैं. मीन्स हाउ मेनी एप्पल्स आर देयर, यहाँ पर कितने एप्पल्स हैं. क्लियर. सो if the thing is countable you will use how many, and if the thing is uncountable you will use how much. Clear. Now you answer how do you come to school, तुम स्कूल कैसे आते हो. and one more thing, the meaning of how in Hindi is कैसे. Clear. Now let's revise quickly. What we use what to ask about things. Who we use who to ask about people. Where to ask about places. When ask about time. Why ask about reason. Which ask to choose. Whose ask about ownership or possession. How ask about manner or condition. Clear. So these are some question words which we use to ask any question. Now I'll give you a short exercise, you have to solve it. So here is the exercise. Dash is your best friend. Here we are asking about person. I am giving you some hints. Dash do you live. Here we are asking about place. Dash are you crying. Here we are asking about reason. Dash is your birthday. Here we are asking about time. And dash book do you want. Here we are asking to choose. So now answer these questions. Okay, so I have given you enough time as it is a small exercise. So now I'll tell you the answer. Dash is your best friend. तुम्हारा best friend कौन है. And the English word of कौन is who. Who is your best friend. Dash do you live. So as I have told before, here we are asking about place. So we'll use where do you live. कहाँ रहते हो तुम. Dash are you crying. Why are you crying. क्यों, तुम रो क्यों रहे हो. डैश इज योर बर्थडे. व्हेन इज योर बर्थडे, तुम्हारा बर्थडे कब है. डैश बुक डू यू वांट. विच बुक डू यू वांट, तुम्हें कौन सी बुक चाहिए. सो दीज आर द आंसर्स. आई होप यू हैव सोल्व्ड इट करेक्टली. टेल मी द नंबर हाउ मैनी क्वेश्चंस you have solved correct in the comment section. So I hope you enjoyed learning question words. If you like this video, please like and share it as much as you can. Also subscribe the channel if you haven't yet for more English lessons. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.